Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to delete and close your Cash App account step-by-step guide. So guys, in this video, it will be a text guide. So just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is of course open the Cash App on your device, and from there just simply withdraw your funds and make sure you have no money remaining in the app. So now guys, once you have no money, just simply tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and just simply scroll down to the bottom and select support. And from there guys, use the search bar at the top of the support menu and type in close account. And from there guys, just simply select the top result, which is close your Cash App account. And from there guys, you will have an information about closing your account and just simply confirm the account closure by tapping on a confirm. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Cash App. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below and I'll try my best to answer your question. And thanks for watching guys. See ya!